going on, YouTube? Today I got this 2003 Nissan Frontier. The customer wants to replace the shocks today. They're original with almost 200,000 miles on them, and I'm sure they're worn out. Anyways, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's do this. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to support your rear end with the jack stand, or this scissor jack, screw jack, whatever you want to call it. Just take it up a few notches, because whenever you take the shock loose, the rear end's going to drop down some. Some drop down further than others, but we don't want to drop it down at all. We don't want to put any stress back there, because you got brake lines and ABS wires and stuff like that you don't want to stress. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is take loose this bottom bolt, which is a 19 millimeter. Now, because they pass it through the other way, the nut's on the other side. But if you got a strong gun, you can break it loose. Or a long breaker bar and strong arms. Push that through. Grab your little pry bar action. Get it out of there. Now the top nut up here is going to be a 17 millimeter or 11/16 will work too. Alright. Now save your bolts and nuts, because you're not going to get new ones with the shocks. In most cases you won't. And your washer too. You kind of set them on the inside of the wheel there. Just kind of wiggle your shock back and forth. Break the seal of that bushing. Just like that, y'all. That simple. Alright, well, I'll resume when I get my parts. Until, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, I'm back with this shock. Take your little side cutters. They're going to come with this little piece on there to keep them compressed. We're going to put the top on first. Now, if it's kind of fighting you, take you a little mallet. Hammer it down. Till it stops. Seats up against this bracket right here. Start your nut, don't tighten it yet. Alright, let's drop this differential down a little bit. Line up that hole. Now, I'm going to pass the bolt through the other way. It doesn't matter. Makes more sense being that way. Alright. Get my gun over here. Tighten our 17 up top. Alright, now the 19 on the bottom. Hold the other side from turning. Just like that. You take your weight off the differential there, get your jack out of the way. Simple as that, y'all. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Y'all please check like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.